the last election, 25th of February, I remain to be challenged. I owe nobody any apologies at all. I'm one of the apostles and one of those who stood firm that power must rotate. I said so. This is for equity, this is for fairness, and this is for justice. Whether you voted for Labour, I have no problem with you. Whether you voted for APC, I have no problem with you. That is what we have argued for. That the North has had for 8 years. Therefore, the South should have for 8 years. So nobody, I am not here to persecute anybody. As far as I'm concerned, anybody from South, that is my position. So I'm not here coming to say, you voted for Labour, you voted for APC. No. That is what we agree as integrity group, that you must make sure the South emerges as the next president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. People are terrible in politics. There are those who cannot stand on what they say. When I say something, you go home and sleep, I said it. If I want to oppose anybody, I will oppose you. Heaven will not come down. Go to heaven. And now heaven has come. What are we suffering again? So people should know me for that. Characters who you cannot trust. Characters who will go in the night, say they are members of this party, they are supporting to a person. In the daytime, they come out and say a different thing. Simply because they want position. Look at the APC candidate. Look at him. He posted congratulating Asue Ighodalo. Within 1 hour, he put it out. Is that a man? Is that characters? I don't understand. This is a man, all of them, but their leader, even some of those who say they claim they're in PDP, all of them here in this state voted against the Southern presidency. They voted Atiku Abubakar. The same people now have turned around. No. Support me. It's only Wike that did not support Obi. Look at people who don't have character. Is that people you want them to be governor of Rivers State? I have character. If go to anywhere, I have a character. Each time I went out for campaign, nobody has heard me criticize Obi. Have I ever done that? No. Nobody has heard me criticize Asue. Have I ever done that? No. What I did, and I owe nobody any apologies. Vote for the Southern president, whoever you want to. But because PDP, you can hear me, I said to you clearly, our constitution says, section 73C of the PDP constitution says, there shall be rotation of public offices. There shall be rotation of our public offices appointed and elective. You took the chairman of the party. You took the president. And we came to you. This is again the spirit and letter of our constitution. Give us back chairman. He said, no. You must have it all because you have won. I said, be careful. I said, be careful. I said, be careful.